All right, so as you can see, I'm already crying. Y'all. I wanted to take the time and the opportunity to just really reflect on these past 2 weeks that I've had out here. Um, First being the half marathon that I completed last weekend out in Las Vegas. That was just such a wonderful time. Seeing my family, my friends, cheer me on from afar. It has just been a wonderful experience. It was just such a wonderful experience. Um, I never thought that I would really see the day that I'm at peace. It feels good, but it's like I continue to question myself and wonder, like, how should I feel this good right now? Like, I've never felt in my element like this before. Just feeling comfortable and feeling confident, and I'm just grateful for everything. I'm grateful for what God has put me out of, what God continues to do in my life. I'm grateful for everyone that is still in my life. And I'm just, for once in my life, I feel okay. I feel okay. To basically sum it up, I feel good for once. With the half marathon being done, I am just ready for this new chapter of giving it all that I got for this competition, September 12th. I still can't believe I'm doing another bodybuilding competition, honestly. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy to think that I was once almost 400 pounds, and here I am today, lost over 200 pounds, and I'm still going. It's freaking insanity. I guess I wanted to get on here and set the camera up and start crying, and the wind is blowing. See what I mean?